Oh, hola, ¿cómo estás everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Hershey. Today, we're making pasta. These are the ingredients: cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, grated mozzarella, depends on you, some nice boiled pasta, salt, pepper, red chili flakes, pasta seasoning, some nice oregano, and some milk. Let's begin. Start heating your pan. Now get your butter ready and add your butter. 2 tablespoons exact. And let it melt. Mix it for a bit till the bubbling noise goes away. So give it a nice mix. Now you add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Slowly add it in and then mix. Now slowly add in your milk. Now you're gonna add your salt and everything right now. A pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper, some nice amount of chili flakes, pasta seasoning, and some oregano. Now mix it around. Now get your pasta ready and add it. Mix. Start off with a nice slice of cheddar, and then your mozzarella. Taste for seasoning. Mine can't get better. So that's it. That's your pasta. So how is it?
It's amazing.
How
I
much would
recommend you to try it at home. It's super good.
you heard it from him?
I didn't get paid for this. I promise. Like actually.
I don't have money to pay you.
True. I have the money.